So the only new information for this round that you need to know is if you have something like this, okay, if you have something like this, where you have a -3 next to an x, negative number next to an x, this means -3 times x. Okay, this is multiplication. It is not subtraction. This is a negative number being multiplied by x. Okay, you can even kind of like think of it in your head like this, like this number, this negative number is just, it's being multiplied by x. Okay, if that kind of helps you to sort of like group that negative with the number in your head, right? This is not minus a 3 times x, this is a -3 times x. Okay, so let's take a look what that looks like when we see it in a problem. Okay, so here's -4x plus 3 equals 11. Okay, so here I have multiplication and I have addition. I know I deal with the addition and subtraction first. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 3. This cancels, okay? And notice I did it on both sides of the equation. When I bring down, don't forget to bring down that negative, okay? It's a really common mistake to just forget it up there. Don't do that. 11 minus 3 is 8. This x is being multiplied by -4. So in order for me to get rid of multiplication by -4, watch, I am dividing by -4. I am dividing by -4. Okay, so now I have x by itself, which is perfect. So this is positive divided by negative, that's negative. 8 divided by 4, that's 2. Okay, let's take a look at one more example. Okay, and something I want you to be aware of, this is -1x. If you have a negative sign in front of an x like this, okay, that's -1x. I'm going to do a different example now, but you're going to see that. You've got to watch out for it. Okay, what do I do here? So, as always, let me just refocus this. I'm going to deal with addition and subtraction first. Okay, so I'm going to do, this is -7, I'm going to do +7. Okay, and I would definitely encourage a calculator here, okay, as we get into bigger numbers and more negative numbers. So this is -27 plus 7. There's 27 holes in my boat, 27 negative things. I have 7 patches, so I patch them up, but I'm still going to have holes left over, right? Because I have a lot of negatives. I'm going to have 20 holes left over in my boat. Okay, in your calculator, if you were to plug this in, you would use this button. It's on the bottom row of the school calculators. That would be -27, okay? And then you'd use the plus sign and then 7, okay? Try that and make sure you know how to put that in your calculator. Now this is x is being multiplied by -5, so I'm going to divide by -5. Okay, again, I'm always doing things on both sides. Okay, here, this is negative divided by negative is positive, and 20 divided by 5 is 4.